In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn designs into dark mode with a free Figma plugin. If you've ever had a clean light UI and needed a fast, reliable way to preview it in dark mode without rebuilding every color by hand, this workflow is for you. We'll use a plugin called Dark Mode Magic to do the heavy lifting. Then fine-tune the results so your design looks intentional and readable. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the frame or screen you want to transform. The plugin works best when you target the right scope. So before you run anything, click to select the frame or the specific layer you want to convert. Selecting the entire frame ensures all nested elements, like buttons, text, and icons, are included in the conversion. There are two quick ways to open the plugin. The fastest is to press Ctrl+K to bring up quick actions, type Dark Mode Magic, and run it from there. If you prefer using the context menu, click on the canvas, choose Plugins. Then click Dark Mode Magic. Either approach launches the same tool. Once it's running, the plugin automatically inverts your colors. You'll see backgrounds darken, text flip to lighter values, and UI elements adapt within the selected frame. This gives you an instant dark mode pass, which is incredibly helpful for quickly testing themes and spotting areas that need a little extra care. After the automatic conversion, take a moment to refine the result. Adjust any colors, text, or elements for better visibility if necessary. Pay special attention to contrast between text and background so content stays readable. Headlines may need a slightly softer white to reduce glare, while body text might benefit from a high contrast shade for crisp legibility. Check accent colors like primary buttons and links. What looked vibrant on light backgrounds can appear overly saturated or dull on dark surfaces. So fine-tune hues and brightness as needed. Icons, strokes, and subtle dividers may need a touch of lightening to stand out on dark panels. And shadows often require less intensity because dark surroundings naturally add depth. If your design includes photos or illustrations, verify they still feel balanced against the darker UI. A quick pass through these elements keeps your dark mode feeling polished, rather than simply inverted. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.